haven't been recording anyway, so. 그냥 갔다 왔어. 그냥 갔다 왔어. 루럴!
Reunion. This is the most Greensboro people I've seen since last night.
How was the party last night?
It was good. There was a fight that broke out.
I heard.
Who was it? Literally gunshot? How did a gun get in Fantasy? Don't they
I
have
have no idea.
I think it was the owner. The gun. I
Dude,
heard.
the owners are scandalous.
Really?
They were freaking taking pictures of the naked girls.
Ew.
Remember when those girls were like...
I looked for the girls.
Did you go, Franny?
She did.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
I saw
Christina?
Christine there yesterday.
Yeah, Christine came with my cousin from out of state. One thing you have to give up for being the oldest. You wouldn't know about that now, Chua, would you?
Oh, is she okay? Dude, did you have fun yesterday?
Oh, I didn't go. Wait to the one we did? It's alright.
It was so fast. It was
Really?
like a boy run show anyways.
You know, awesome.
Let's go Medusa.
Yeah, I think we'll go to Medusa tonight.
I need to get drunk in your